Alright, we are here at some building here in Charlottesville. Guess what? It's sitting down. Oh, here it is. It's an old Otis. Look what happened to it.
Virginia Bank.
Ooh.
300 East Main Street.
Alright, let's listen to it. Still hear that logic. Door close works.
Still on original control. It's nice.
That's cool.
That's not very exciting.
No, but it is on the original controller, which is nice.
Yeah, it's a neat elevator.
Boom.
Look at this lobby.
Yeah, this is really neat.
This is a neat building.
It's called the Vault. I guess. I don't know. That's pretty neat though. That'll be it.